Hello everyone and welcome to this lesson. So today we are going to do a short revision on Unit 5 and also Unit 6. We are doing this revision because on the following week, on 27th of November, our school will be having a quiz activity for English subject, okay? On 27th of November, remember that. So in order to answer the quiz or to score well in this quiz, we need to do revision throughout this Supermind book, okay? So make sure you have this book and also your workbook, right? So let's have a look on Unit 5, which is free time, this topic. So on this topic, we have learned about the days of the week, okay? So what we learned here, we have 7 days, okay? 7 days starting from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and lastly we have Sunday. And just remember, all of these days represented by this number, okay? Number 1, which is the first day, okay? Monday. And at the end of these words, they always end same. D-A-Y, D-A-Y, D-A-Y. Same goes with Saturday and Sunday. D-A-Y. So I hope you can understand and memorize the spelling very well, so you don't miss any score or any marks, because if you have wrong spelling, no marks, or maybe deduction of marks. And remember, this is just a short video for our revision. So after this video, you also need to do your own revision thoroughly. Over here we have example of activities, okay? Free time activities. So what are the activities during our free time? So you need to know some of the activities. For example, over here I go swimming, okay? You go swimming on Mondays. And another activity is play football, okay? On the next page, there are some a lot of example of activities that you are doing throughout the 7 days. The first one, we have the swimming activity, go swimming. And then what else? We have play ball. And then play computer games. We have play football again. And then we sing, okay? Play hide and seek. What a busy week. So these are some of examples that you can learn. And over here we have learned about the question, do you ... And then you have 2 ways to answer. It's yes or no. But how to answer properly? Yes, I do. No, I don't, okay? And you also have to look at the question carefully, okay? The activities, for example, do you watch TV, okay? So if you say yes, comma, I do. If you say no, for example, this girl is going to read some book, she doesn't want to read she doesn't want to watch the TV, so she say no, I don't. So this is the story. Okay, we have done this activity previously by listening to this CD at school. Okay, another activities: play with friends, ride my bike. For here, play computer games, yes, play with toys, go swimming, watch TV, and sleep. Sleep also an activity, okay? Okay, so all of this you have to study at home. Okay, remember that. Okay, next unit 6, the old house. Okay, on this topic we have learned about the home, the parts of the house. Starting from number 1, we have the bathroom. Okay, look carefully, what are in the bathroom? The bathtub, the sink, the toilet bowl, okay, maybe the mirror. And then the second room, the bedroom, the place where we sleep or we get some rest. Number 3, the living room, full of sofa, coffee table, lamp. You have to really look at the details of the room. Next one, the hall, the dining room, okay, the place where we go eat our food. The kitchen, look at the kitchen. There are a few plates over here. The gas stove, what else? The sink, maybe. Next one is the stairs, okay, where we go down or goes up. Lastly, we have the cellar, where we put our stuff, our old things, or maybe some people they use cellar as their another room. Okay, over here we have, okay, this one really important, grammar focus. When you see this, you have to study well. Study well about the grammar focus. There's a, for only one. If there are a lot, you have to use they are. Okay? And remember this one swiftly, okay? This. That's how we say that. But actually, it consists of they is. But we used contraction, the shortcut in our Supermind book. We use the apostrophe, so that's why it is shortened, lebih pendek. It's more compact. Okay, so remember, there's THERE apostrophe S, okay, because is, but we shortcut it. We use the shortcut. Okay, if there are a lot, they are. Remember that. Okay, this is the song that we have learned previously. The animals. See, you are going to revise. You need to remember these animals as well. The tigers, lizard, cat, spiders. You have learned this when you were in year 1, right? Next one, another grammar focus. This one, grammar focus. Is. We are looking at this again. Is for only one. Are for a lot of things. And how many? Alright, if you want to ask how many. Okay, for example, is there a plane? A plane. Only one, okay? If you say yes, yes. And then there is. Look at the front. Okay, it must be the same. If you want to use are, it's for things or animals that are a lot. For example, are there any rats? Means a lot of rats, so that's why we use are, right? And remember, are as well. Okay, but for no, we use aren't. Okay. So when people asking you how many cars are there, how many, ada berapa. So we are going to say there are, if there are many, 4 cars. Okay, 4 cars. For example, this here. I think we have learned this previously in the classroom as well. But you have to do your revision. Okay, the story about at the house where Misty went into the house to check out whether there's a ghost or dangerous animals or not. Okay. And then over here we can see that there are a few numbers: 15, 5, 7, 4, 14, 6. So you need to recognize, you need to know the spelling as well. And of course, you need to know how to read the sentence. And then over here, it's about the house. We did this already. Next one. This is about the habitat. Okay, habitats. A lot. We have learned 5. The first one is polar region, the cold place, tempat yang sejuk. The next one, the ocean, the jungle, the desert, and mountains. Okay, and each of these habitats has something. What are they? For example, the sand. We can find sand in the desert. How about the trees? You can find them in the jungle. How about rocks? You can find them in the mountains. Okay. How about coral? Where can we find coral? You find coral in the ocean over here. And lastly, we have snow. We can find snow in the polar region over here, right? And remember, each of these habitats, they have their own specific animals. On the next page, okay, let me clear this up. The question, where do you find the animals? We have 8 animals over here. For example, you find tigers in the jungle. Okay, the first animal is tiger. You can find tigers in the jungle or the zoo. Okay. Second one, the parrot. Where can you find the parrot? We can find them in the jungle as well. The camel in the desert, the goat in the mountain, polar bear. We can find polar bears in the polar region. How about shark? In the ocean, okay, di laut. How about jellyfish? Jellyfish, okay, in the ocean. And lastly, we have the penguin. Penguin, we can find penguin in the polar region, same as polar bear. So don't study this one only. You have to explore the other animals, just in case if the quiz asking you about other animals than these 8. Okay, you need to know widely about some of other animals. Where do they live? Which habitats? Okay, and these are some of the quiz that we have done as well. You can try to answer them as well as your revision. So that's all for today. And just now we have revised about Unit 5, free time, the days of the week, and so on. And same goes with Unit 6, the old house. Okay, so on this video only 2 units, but you of course you can do your own revision until Unit 9, but I will do that with you on the following following days on Monday. Okay, we are going to do that revision. So if you have any questions about this revision, you can ask me. So there's no homework for this week and next week because we are focusing on our revision for our quiz. Alright, and I hope to see you on the next video. See you next time. Alright, bye.